Hey everybody, welcome to Step Into a New Day. Brandis here. Today I am just wanting to share with you how I recently transitioned all of my winter clothes and fall to spring, summer, and I would like to share with you a couple wonderful questions to ask yourself as well as some tips to make this process very just easy and simple. If this is something that could be useful to you, please stay with me. The first step is to declutter your fall and winter. Yes, I do keep my clothes separately. I highly recommend that. And when you are ready to declutter, just grab some kitchen bags from your kitchen and use those. And there's wonderful questions to really consider as you are decluttering. The very first one is going to be, who was I this fall and winter? Try to really analyze that with each item of clothing. Next, do I still want to be that person with a particular item of clothing? Third, what can I let go of based on who I really do want to be? And four, what can I let go of that already has holes in them and might be done serving me? Once you figure that out, you can go ahead and donate any of those clothing items that just do not longer serve you. They don't really jive with who you want to be anymore for the fall, winter, and it's time to let them go. Next step would be to take out your spring, summer clothing. I like to keep mine in these bins that I got on Amazon a while ago. They're just at the bottom of my closet. Some people use baskets. Some people might store things under their bed. But I'd like you to ask yourself those same questions with your spring, summer before you actually hang them back up in your closet. Step 3 would then be to hang and organize your spring, summer. Those clothings that really feel good to you. You will then feel this lightness in your closet again when all the sweaters are gone and everything is away. Step 4 is to take a quick look through your shoes and accessories, asking yourself those same 4 questions. Who do I really want to be, and do they serve that specific person anymore? You are all done. And so at this point, you need to celebrate your progress of doing whatever little bit you did to however much you did. But you did do something, and you are releasing the old in order to let in the new and to further create the person it is that you would like to be again. My closet is definitely not super minimalistic, but I was able to achieve what I needed to. I also mentioned to just maybe get some extra space out with your decluttering. And I was able to finally reveal this beautiful picture I have here of Jesus inviting us to the table to be with him. And so I'm so happy that I was able to do that. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe, like, and share, and I will see you in my next video. Bye-bye.